Good morning, just Paul from Landscape Lighting here, just following up on that driveway project. So you can see the planting is now in place and we're going to finish off our cable prep. Now those positions are fixed, we can place our cable exactly around the planting. I always try to optimize the cable position with the planting just to make sure we get the most out of each light fitting and minimize any surface cable wherever possible. This whole driveway will be a low voltage connection, 12 volt AC, using a magnetic transformer, which are IP68. They're very, very stable units. I've never had one fail. So hopefully that will continue on this project. So I'm just going to position the cables around each tree now that that planting is in place. Really looking forward to seeing this lit. We're going to cross light the driveway and uplight all these gorgeous trees that are now in place. So I will cut there, and next time you see me I'll be probably doing some cabling. Nice one. So that's those armoured cables all terminated. They'll be buried correctly once the system's commissioned and in place and working. So it's a low voltage system, it runs on 12 volts AC, nice and safe and stable, and with modern LED and driver technology we can send the signal 50-60 meters, no worries, without any volt drop or visible dimming on the lamp. Good old LEDs, eh? Anyway, here we go. So here's where the system splits. We've got 12 volts going right, 12 volts going left from here, right from the centre of the system. All the joint boxes are fully serviceable, meaning we can get into them at any point in the future, just in case we have any issues. Everything's all the cable capture hardware is IP68. It's as good as I can make it. And there's 100 meters of driveway here, which we've covered in a low voltage style connection, which means we can pretty much cover any garden scenario. It gives you a much more safe and stable connection. No 240 volt cables in the garden next to where your children are kicking a ball kind of deal. So if a light fitting gets broken, there's nothing exposed that's going to be any danger to them. And the amount of times I have seen that, it always makes me smile. These horrible Par 38 lamps broken off with the flex exposed, and the gardener's put some tape on it or something. It always makes me smile, but concerned at the same time. Anyway, there we go. So there's a good 2 hours of knocking out armoured cable connections under the belt. That's definitely time for some coffee. Let's go and get a really good cup of coffee. Take a break from this gorgeous weather, 25 degrees. I'll take that all day long. Thanks very much. Signing off for now.